Here's the first time I see a Cybertruck in Europe. It's right now in Geneva, getting ready for mass market deployment with self-driving cars. Can be up to 12 passengers. And people are lining up to test drive it, and they can try the plate also. And it says here, with this QR code, you can place the order, and it's perfect for the Swiss market. You can ski down the slopes with this. They have special adapters for the ski. It's pretty big. It's pretty big compared to the BYD. That's just next to it. Over here is a BYD. I think it's a Seal with the Zurich plates. The Cybertruck doesn't have any plates because they're not allowed to drive it on the road yet. But it's here. It's in Europe. There it is. Cybertruck. $35,000. That's what Elon Musk said is going to be the launch price. So you can get it for $35,000 here in Switzerland. Not yet, but could be. Or it could be $2. $2 per ride. $4.20. And right over here is the Lucid. They have a smart Lucid car. And Geneva is considering doing the self-driving buses with the Navya. I forgot the name. I filmed this 10 years ago. All right. And they also have a VTOL, I think it's called, with test rides at 3 p.m. You can fly over the Geneva fountain with this. And here at the AI for Good conference,
the mobility I demonstrate, combined with financial achievements, proves that technology isn't just
robots.
about machines moving or talking. It's about generating value, inspiring trust, and making a difference for everyone involved. I'm here to share.
These robot guys, they just came from the Cybertruck test.
Whether in finance or wherever their ambitions lead. What about you? What would you like?
Having conversations and showing their brains off. Nice brains. You can ask Robert any question.
What are you looking at?
And here, there are some open droids. Affordable, adaptable, and open. I need to interview those guys about this. I keep walking around here, the AI for Good conference. The French Republic of Emmanuel has a booth. Here's the football match. The little Swiss football players. Here, you're gonna see who wins. I think it's ETH Zurich. It's trying to beat the EPFL. This is gonna be the winner. I'm gonna check. All right. Hey, there's some nice arms here. All right, so let's check it out. Hi, can I make an interview with you?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah? All right. Let me give you this. Sorry, I just need to. Oh. Oops. Maybe you can put this on there. Yeah. All right. One second. Let me just switch this to this mode. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Anas from Bioniks, and we make these brain-controlled bionic limbs. And the way we do it is different.
Let me just check it here. Okay, let me hear your voice.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you make these arms. Are people using them?
Yes, we have 1,000 people who are currently using these prosthetics. And the best part about our prosthetic is that you don't have to travel. You just need a mobile device to take the measurements, and we ship you the arm at your doorstep in this bag. All you have to do is to wear it, and you are able to use it.
And what can it do?
So you can do almost everything. Our users are currently riding bike, they are writing with this, they are holding cups and doing almost 70% tasks that is required for their life.
Yeah, are there some special articulations, some mechanics or something happening in the arm?
Yeah, so what happens is the sensors are right now, for this one, this is above elbow prosthetic. It has an elbow joint and it goes to the top, and then they can move up and down, and they can open fingers and close fingers and rotate as well.
All right. Where are you based?
So we are based out of Pakistan, but now we are exporting these limbs around the world.
Nice. And what kind of discussion you have at this show here?
So we discussed the way the prosthetic industry is changing having these issues is that 80% people with disability do not have access to a prosthetic, and how the AI and the digital technology can enable them to get something which is very essential for them.
Nice. Cool. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, I'll put the video right here.
Yeah, thank you. I'll look for this.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for that.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. And here's some presentations.
At the secretariat level, and my colleague Laura Bonner is here. You want to raise your hand? She's our chief technology officer. She made
That's
sure
some
that we
AI
had
for good.
Infrastructure in place, because without infrastructure investments, you cannot make this. We are making a proactive
Wow. That's very dexterous. That's so cool. Right. That's the Solo Delta.
Yeah, we already said that this robot can do it.
All right.
Right to the hammering out, the circulation, the sensitivity.
Jump.
We are also plugging AI into all our reporting dashboards.
Okay, let's keep walking around.
On the dashboard.
Here, the AI for good. I'm looking for a robot. That's an interesting robot. Here you have China Telecom, China Unicom booth. Let's see if I can do a video. China Southern Power Grid, Damo Academy. Here you have GPT. So the AI for good is a great idea. You want to use AI for good, right? You don't want to use it for evil.
As walkie-talkie, and I'm just going to press down the red button while you're speaking.
That looks amazing. That looks so cool. This is the HIM studio. Let's see if I can do a video with them after. This is cool stuff.
What's this? This? Yeah.
It's cool. You have a little engineer playing with it. Here we have the AI for good photo booth. Oops, sorry. In-flight boarding is closed. Here I see another robot. Sorry.
This guy's not in front. It's kind of getting your attention so I can start talking to you, and it's working. So we built a guy like 3 years ago. We are a startup of 3 people, but now we realize, if we're not taking $1 million, sorry, $100 million.
Nice. That looks cool. And here we have enchanted robotics, enchanted tools. That's one crazy robot, huh? And you can throw a bone to it. Fantastic. Yeah, with the wild drone. So you can, for nature conservation, you can use a drone. Here, some more drones. Multi-rotor platform. You have more robots?
That's a top secret AI upgrade, but seriously, it's all about like sweet dash of humor.
Breath AI. It's follow me. You see? It's following me. Similar with the more robotics here. And then we have Lenovo showing the AI.
Body of the person.
Nice. AI generated sign language?
Yes.
That's too cool. All right. Can I do a video interview with you?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.